Hello. In this session, I would like to introduce you with Ohio Department of Education's school report system to use the system data to conduct a second-hand analysis for decision making as a process. So as we know, there are a lot of public data that are available for you to be able to use for further analysis. So if I go to Ohio School Report Card system in ODE's website, you will be able to get a site like this, and I copied the link here on your learning resources. So if you go down to download data here, you click on that, you will be able to see a lot of downloadable data here, and you can select by year. So if I'm interested in 2012 and 13, I'm just giving you as an example here. So if you highlight that, there are many different categories for selection. Are you interested in career technical planning districts, or are you interested in disaggregated district level data, or school level data, or district data in general without any desegregation, or school building data without desegregation, or Title I data? So for example, I'm interested in desegregated school level data. I can highlight that one. And I wanted to see what is out there. So you will be see at the school district, school level, building level, the desegregated data by disability status, by economic status, by racial, ethnic group, by gender, gifted. So for example, I'm interested in school building level data by economic status. So I'm just going to check out what's out there. So I can highlight that one. And you are going to be able to get 2012-13 learning data at the building level by economic status. So I'm going to save, and then ask where I want to save the data. I would like to save it on my thumb drive. Remember, if I save it on my thumb drive, it's much easier for me to use them, reproduce them, and load them in a virtual lab. So this is my removable disk location. So I'm going to use the same title here, file name here, and say save. And it's saved. So if you open the data, you will be able to see tons of information in this big, large data file. So you will be able to see building name, district name, county, economic status categorized by disadvantaged and non-disadvantaged, by elementary school, high school, middle school. And also these are demographic data, and also you will be able to see student learning outcome data by year. So you will be able to see 2012 and 13 percentage of third grade reading, third grade math, fourth grade reading, fourth grade math, fifth grade reading, fifth grade math, science. And you will also be able to see the OGT test score. You will also be able to see the attendance, the longitudinal graduation rate, enrollment data. So you will be able to see school processing, learning outcome, and demographic data. And the only thing that you might not be able to see is the perception data here. So I already saved it on my thumb drive. So I can close this one now. And I can go back and say, well, maybe I'm also interested in school building level desegregated data, or school building desegregated data by race. Just now I did it by economic status. I can do that by race. So if I click on race here, and again, I'm going to save it on my thumb drive. So this is a removable E drive here. If I say save, it took a few minutes here. And I already saved the file And again, it does not only give me all the other information I need, it also gives me the ethnicity. So if I'm interested in 3rd grade 2012 and 13 by ethnicity, I can do analysis on that, and also by economic status. If I wanted to do by economic status, by attendance, and by enrollment, and by OGT score, I can do so. So I've already saved it on my thumb drive, and I can use it for further analysis. And in the next session, I'm going to show you how actually you can import Excel file into SPSS in Virtual Lab. Thank you.